Hey everyone, this video is about a turning point in my career, and hoping that this is not too soon to call it a turning point. I feel like I'm at least in the beginning of a turning point. Anyway, this is about my decision of learning Kubernetes. But I don't simply want to learn Kubernetes, I want to understand Kubernetes. I want to understand how it works under the hood. I want to understand how each of these components described here works. I want to understand how each component communicates with others. I want to understand how this diagram works. And the reason I want that is because I feel like there is a lot of cool engineering content, a lot of engineering knowledge that can be drawn from understanding how Kubernetes works. Of course, you get the benefit of understanding how the tool itself works, which I guess it is very pragmatic. But another side of it, which is also very pragmatic if you ask me, is understanding how the internals are built. I've been doing this for this little component here, for the Kube API server. I've been doing that for the last week. And I have to tell you that I have so many questions, I have so many unknowns about Linux, about networking, about backend, about Kubernetes itself, about Go, about memory, about multi-threading programming, and a lot of stuff. So after 1 week of deeply reading and debugging the source code, I feel like I'm swimming in a sea full of knowledge. I don't know if this analogy was as great as I thought or as I hoped, but I think you get the idea. There is a lot of knowledge that resides beneath Kubernetes, and this is what I'm after. And I call this a turning point because maybe I haven't had the ambition to actually start a project this big. Because for me, learning Kubernetes is actually a very serious endeavor, and I hope I will go as far as possible with this. But yes, this is what I wanted to make with this with this video. Simply sharing the fact that I have started a new chapter in my learning journey, and I'm very excited about this. I plan to share my knowledge in a very unfiltered way, just as I did until now on my YouTube channel. And I'm very happy and excited to share what I'll be learning. And yeah, I feel like it's a great time to be a programmer because I have to say there is a lot of knowledge already free online, and I've used that knowledge to, for instance, to debug Kubernetes, to step in with a debugger and try to go very slowly through the source code and try to make sense of all of the details, or as much as possible. So yeah, and because of that, because I was able to manage all of that with all of the knowledge found there for free, I'm very happy to sort of give back, to share my knowledge about what I'll be learning, because trust me, there is a lot of cool stuff going on behind this, and there is a lot of stuff that I don't know, which I'm eager to not know even more so, if that makes sense. Okay, this was it. This once again is a confirmation, let's say that, a confirmation of this new turning point that I'm actually at in my learning journey. So this was it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next videos, which will be a lot, I hope, about Kubernetes, about what's going on under the hood, about debugging, about Linux, about whatever I find interesting. Thank you very much.